We're trying to enhance the children's attitudes, their values, their knowledge, their behaviours, to make a contribution to a more sustainable world. We've worked with an environmental accountant to determine how much our carbon emissions have been reduced by all the different actions that we've taken at the school. So we started with a 10-tonne plan, then a 50-tonne plan to reduce carbon emissions, then 100-tonne, then 200 tonnes, and we achieved the 360 tonnes, which is sort of like 360 degrees of change, which was very exciting. And this year our target is 100 tonnes, so we'll just progressively build on the previous achievements in that area. The other one was where they were designing shoes for refugees, and so they had to do all the design work involved in technology. So our children have been proactive in building bat boxes, native bee hotels, bird nest boxes, finding ways that we can make a difference. We do a lot of planting in the bushland for butterflies. We've had a big campaign of planting host plants for particular butterfly species. Butterflies are important because they relate to the global goal of no hunger. So, you know, if the butterflies are important because they provide pollination services, the same as the bees provide vital pollination services. But we're changing our environment, and it's really important that we provide the suitable habitat to enable these creatures to live and fulfil their part in a healthy ecosystem. So there's all these diverse bits and pieces that were happening in our school that we've pulled together in a whole systems way. It is definitely part of the school program, the school curriculum, and it's essential that that be the case. Otherwise it is extra and is not considered to be as important. But if you embed it in your literacy, in your numeracy, in all those other learning areas, then you're going to be far more powerful in your outcomes. The idea is that all those things continually build on each other, so when you leave primary school, you've got a pretty thorough understanding of what sustainability means. So the project's about all the Sustainable Development Goals being pulled together and viewed holistically. And I think that sort of environment has enabled this school to achieve a whole school approach.